accessories and tools that come with this single cabin installation tutorial. There are tools that need to be prepared. Use a level and an open hex wrench to level the base. Install the left wall panel. Alignment fixed bayonet installation. Side fixing screws. Install for side wall bottom fixing screws. Install the right wall panel. Alignment fixed bayonet installation. Side fixing screw installation. For side wall bottom fixing screws. Install the left rear glass. Install for side wall bottom fixing screws on the bayonet. Use a glue hammer to install the edge banding strips on both sides. Install the right front glass. Install for side wall bottom fixing screws on the bayonet. Use a glue hammer to install the edge banding strips on the inner and outer sides. Precautions: open the door and hold the door. Avoid door collapse. Install roof. Install alignment line socket. Install the top fixing screw. Install the top hood. Use the charging drill to install the front and rear 8 fixing screws. H1 solid wood door handle fixing upper and lower screws. Install fixing screws to install internal desktop. Align the fixing screw port. Install the closure cover and lay the carpet. Complete the installation.